A polynomial p of x has a remainder of 4 when divided by x plus 1 and a remainder of 7 when divided by x minus 2. What will be the remainder when px is divided by x plus 1 times x minus 2? At this moment, I encourage you to pause the video and solve it by yourself. Okay, I'll solve it now. When the polynomial px is divided by a linear factor in the form x minus c, then the remainder is simply the value p of c. I'm going to use this. I will do it slowly. Polynomial p of x can be written in the following form. P of x can be like x minus t times another polynomial q of x plus r, where r is called remainder. So, my first thing was a polynomial p of x has a remainder of 4 when divided by x plus 1. So I can write p of x will be equal x plus 1 times, I will call it q1 of x, plus remainder 4 plus 4. Second thing, I know, and the remainder of 7 when divided by x minus 2. So second thing which I know, px is equal x minus 2 times another polynomial q2 of x plus remainder of 7. What else do I know? What will be the remainder? Question is, what will be the remainder when p of x is divided by x plus 1 times x minus 2? So then p of x will be equal x plus 1, x minus 2, like times another polynomial q, I will call it q3 of x, plus remainder. And because of x plus 1 times x minus 2 is polynomial with degree 2, my remainder will have degree of 1. So this will be in the, will look like ax plus b. So those things I know. Then I know, first thing again, p of negative 1, I can write it slowly. X is negative 1, so that is minus 1 plus 1. This is 0. 0 very slowly. 0 times q1 of x plus 4. 0 times q1 of x is 0 plus 4, so this is equal 4. What else I know? I can write similarly, number 2, p of 2, 2 minus 2, this moment is 0. So I can write slowly 0 times q2 over of x plus 7, so that is equal 7. And I need to find p of negative 1, I will find it again using 3. This will be minus 1 plus 1, so this is 0, so this is all equals 0, this thing, because x plus 1 will be 0, so this is 0, plus axb So p of minus 1, x is minus 1, will be equal a times negative 1 will be minus a plus b. Similarly, using 3, p of 2, because of x minus 2 and x is 2, this is 0, so whatever, this will be 0. Then x is 2, so this will be equal a times 2, so I'll write 2a plus b. So what I know, that p of negative 1 will be equal this p of negative 1. So minus a plus b has to be equal 4. And that p of 2 has to be equal to this p of 2. So 2a plus b will be equal to 7. Now I need to solve this system of equations. I have plus b in both of them, so I want to have negative b in the second one, let's say. I will multiply everything by negative 1 in the second equation. So minus a plus b is equal to 4. I will copy this one, and I will multiply by negative 1 the second one. Minus 2a minus b is equal to negative 7. If I call this equation 1 and this is equation 2, I will add sides. I will just do 1 plus 2. Then I will have all of this will be equal to all of this. So I will have minus 3a will be equal 7 minus 4 will be equal to negative 3. So from this I know a has to be equal to 1. Then I will just write first equation again, minus a plus b is equal to 4. But I know a is equal to 1. So minus 1 plus b is equal to 4. So I know b must be 5. My remainder, the remainder was ax plus b. This moment, this is my remainder. So remainder is equal ax plus b, which is equal, my a was 1, 1 times x will be just x, plus b, so plus 5. So the answer for this question is A. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing.